How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix your Counter-Strike 2 or CS2 constantly crashing. Basically, there's multitude of reasons why this is happening, and the simplest solution to fix this is to navigate through the Steam itself, and then you want to right click on the Counter-Strike game, click on properties, select the installed files, and then click on the verify integrity of game files. Now, the number one reasons why your Counter-Strike is crashing, it's because it has missing files, corrupted data, bugs, or glitches within the installed files. To fix everything regarding your game files, you then want to click on this specific option that will eventually fix everything regarding your game files. From there, you then want to navigate through Counter-Strike. After doing that, click the settings menu, and then you want to lower down your graphics because the other reasons is that you might be running out of resources. So you want to navigate through video, click advanced setting, and then from here you maybe want to lower everything from the global shadow quality, the shader detail, particle detail, texture, and more. So from there, you then want to exit out of Counter-Strike. And on this page, you then want to exit out of your open programs. In my case, I have my Steam open, I have my CapCut, I have my OBS, I have my folder, and I have my Opera. Those will take up resources, and then simply you want to allocate more of your resources through Counter-Strike itself to make sure that it's working perfectly and efficiently. So basically, just close everything out to make sure that your Counter-Strike has enough resources. From there, let's navigate through our browser. It could work with any browser, it doesn't really matter. And from here, you then want to search Google your own graphics card brand. Now, for some of us, we are using Intel, Nvidia, which is the most popular, and AMD. In my case, I'm using Nvidia, so I'll just search for Nvidia drivers right here. If you're using AMD, just search for AMD drivers, and same thing with Intel. Select the official website for your graphics card drivers, and then you want to make sure that you are using the latest drivers for your graphics card so that it is compatible with the latest applications, including Counter-Strike 2. Having an outdated computer will result in crashes and some other things. And of course, the last thing to do is to head over to your Windows logo. You then want to search for update, click on the check for updates, and then just make sure that your computer is up to date. By doing this, you have able to fix your Counter-Strike 2 from consistently or constantly crashing. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.